Nutrition in lemon juice. Benefits of lemon water. Benefits of consuming the whole lemon. How to consume lemon peel and seeds. Lemon drink recipe. Precautions and mistakes to avoid. Benefits of using the whole lemon peel, seeds, and pulp. Usually, when we use a lemon, we squeeze out its juice and discard the peel, seeds, and pulp in the trash. We mix the juice with water or add it to food, believing we have gained all the nutrients from the lemon. However, the peel, the white layer beneath it, and the seeds contain 5 times more nutrients than the pulp or juice itself. After learning the benefits of consuming the whole lemon, you may never waste its peel again. Let's explore the advantages of eating the entire lemon, including the peel, seeds, and pulp. Number 1. Nutrition in lemon juice. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, with almost 60% of the daily requirement in a single lemon. However, store-bought packaged lemon juice is often pasteurized, heated, and contains preservatives or chemicals that destroy most of the vitamin C. Freshly squeezed lemon juice provides natural vitamin C along with magnesium, potassium, B vitamins, copper, and some vitamin E. But if you consume the whole lemon, these nutrients increase significantly, providing even greater benefits. Number 2. Benefits of lemon water. Many people drink lemon water, especially in warm water in the morning, to gain numerous health benefits. Lemon water helps regulate cholesterol, reduces fat, and supports weight loss by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing insulin resistance. It helps detoxify the liver and reduce fat accumulation in it. Additionally, lemon contains compounds like limonene and silvestro, which help kill cancer cells. Lemon water also prevents kidney stones, especially for those following a ketogenic diet, as they have a higher risk of developing them. It strengthens the immune system, making the body more resistant to diseases. Furthermore, it improves skin health by promoting collagen production and preventing its breakdown, thereby slowing the aging process. Number 3. Benefits of consuming the whole lemon. If you eat the whole lemon, including the peel, seeds, and the white pith, you gain even more health benefits. Vitamin C and its importance. Lemon is well known for its vitamin C content. A deficiency of this vitamin can lead to various health problems such as bleeding gums, scurvy, joint pain due to reduced collagen, chronic fatigue, anemia, since vitamin C is essential for iron absorption, and inflammation. Many people take synthetic vitamin C supplements which contain only ascorbic acid, a part of the complete vitamin C complex. However, natural vitamin C from lemons is far more effective. Improved vascular health. Lemon consumption enhances vascular health, helping with varicose veins, nosebleeds, and other bleeding-related issues. Natural vitamin C also contains copper, which aids collagen production, slowing the aging process and improving joint health. Benefits for eye health. The bioflavonoids in lemons help protect the eyes, especially for diabetics who are at risk of diabetic retinopathy. This condition occurs when high blood sugar damages the tiny blood vessels in the eyes, leading to vision loss. The antioxidants in lemons also help prevent age-related macular degeneration, cataracts, and other vision problems. Additionally, the antioxidative properties of lemons reduce oxidative stress, protecting overall health. Number 4. How to consume lemon peel and seeds. Many people find lemon peel too bitter to eat. However, there are several ways to consume it. Pickled lemons in vinegar. Whole lemons are often pickled in vinegar, making them tastier and easier to consume. Adding to rice or curries. In dishes like biryani, chopped lemons, including the peel, can be added while cooking. This reduces bitterness while maximizing the benefits. Lemon drink recipe. Take an organic lemon, preferably a local variety, and cut it into pieces with the peel and seeds. Blend it in a blender with 1 glass of water, approximately 8 ounces. Blend for about a minute, but do not strain the mixture, as straining removes essential nutrients. Since the drink may taste bitter, you can naturally sweeten it with a few drops of stevia, 5 to 10 drops should be enough. Oh, for added benefits and better taste, blend in a cup of frozen blueberries. Blueberries will mask the bitterness while providing additional nutrients. Precautions and mistakes to avoid. Do not add artificial sweeteners or sugar to this drink, as they reduce its health benefits. People with acid sensitivity should avoid consuming lemon in excess. This drink should be consumed once a day for maximum benefits. By incorporating whole lemons into your diet, you will notice significant health improvements in just a few days. Thank you for watching video, and I hope this information was helpful for your health.